Yeah, Informatica company actually started iPaaS foundation certification course. So anyone can register and complete that iPaaS certification, foundation certification. A little bit it is valuable. You can add into your resume and all. So yeah, how to register to the iPaaS certification? Here enablement is there. No, once you log into the Informatica partner network, so enablement will be there. Their guided enablement will be there. They click on that, and here so many courses are there. IDMC courses. You can register any of these things. You can learn, complete and add to your resume. It will be beneficial. And here iPaaS is there. No, yeah. So click on that. Once you click on that, no, it will comes like this. Actually I completed iPaaS certification, for iPaaS foundation certification. Here these modules we have to complete. Later it will be locked. Actually initially once one by one it will be unlocked. Once you complete no all the 4 parts, you will be eligible to 45 minutes quiz certification, quiz series of quiz. So once you complete the quiz, no, you will be eligible. I mean, like, you will get some certificate, foundation certification course completion. So let's see actually what is this iPaaS means. Why Informatica introduced this iPaaS foundation certification nowadays. So let's explore what is iPaaS. Here I created a document. I am giving in description this document. Yeah, actually iPaaS is nothing but nowadays, like, every major company today, especially a large MNC company like TCS, runs on like dozens, if not hundreds of different software applications. Think of their sales teams using like Salesforce, their finance teams using SAP, and their market teams using HubSpot. Each of these applications stores critical business data. Here the problem is, like, they often don't talk to each other. Even though Salesforce team, SAP team, HubSpot's team did not talk to each other. This creates some type of isolation ports of information called data silos. Like here it introduced iPaaS. How can it give some resolution? iPaaS stands for integration platform as a service. Like it integrates every platform from one platform to one other platform. It integrates. That is iPaaS. Previously, software as service, the Salesforce, SAP, HubSpot are there. No, those are softwares. Those softwares are used as services. That is SaaS, software as service, right? Like Salesforce is for CRM, SAP for financial teams, HubSpot for marketing, like that. So this iPaaS gives solution to integrate these platforms. It is like it's a modern cloud-based solution that solves the data silo problem. Imagine it's a central hub that connects all these different applications, processes, and data sources, allowing them to communicate and share information seamlessly. Yeah, it allows application to application the information seamlessly. I mean continuously. If any update is there in Salesforce, it automatically updates. We will get updates in SAP, and from SAP to HubSpot, like that. So it acts as a central platform, right? The key difference from older methods is that iPaaS is a service. You didn't have to build the complex infrastructure. You just subscribe to the platform and use its tool to create integrations, like with API integrations, like that. Here, how iPaaS is evolution of ETL. In actually Informatica almost it's famous for ETL. How in the context of ETL, how it will be useful for those with an ETL, like extract transformation load. We already know ETL means. In previous classes I explained what is ETL and all. An ETL background. iPaaS is the next step in data integration. ETL nothing but mostly deals with data. So iPaaS plays a vital role in data integration. The future traditional ETL, modern iPaaS. Like the environment often on-premises requires building and maintaining servers and software like cloud native managed by a vendor, reducing your IT overhead, right? Here data flow primarily focused on moving large volumes of data from various sources to a single destination, like data warehouses in batches, handles real-time event-driven data as well as traditional batch processing. It can move data between any two applications, not just to a data warehouse, right? Application to application you can integrate with iPaaS APIs. Here the development requires custom coding and scripting, which is time consuming and prone to errors, like development related. Here it is just a low code, no code visual interface with pre-built connectors. In iPaaS related, some pre-built connectors will be there, so enabling you to build integrations quickly with little to no custom code, right? Here an ETL developer skills are directly transferable. You move from writing intricate code to designing and orchestrating powerful scalable integration solutions. Here why iPaaS is critical for developers in MNCs most of the time. For developers and IT professionals in large companies, mastering iPaaS is longer optional. It's essential for career growth also, right? So the challenging of digital transformation. Here MNCs are constantly acquiring new companies, adopting new cloud applications, new companies adopting new cloud applications and migrating from legacy systems to the cloud, on-premises systems to the cloud. This creates a hybrid integration challenges. How do you connect the new cloud tools with the old on-premises tools? For suppose from old on-premises tools to cloud, that if you want to migrate, it will be a little bit critical. Now iPaaS comes into the main thing. Here iPaaS is the perfect solution actually. With some integration, some APIs, with some connectors, we can easily migrate code from on-premises to cloud, built from the ground up to handle this extraction scenario, right? It also some speed, agility and innovation. In today's fast-paced business environment, companies need to connect systems quickly to launch new products or services, right? Nowadays everyone wants fast results and all. So in this type of fast-paced business environment, companies need to connect systems quickly, right? Yeah, in this way this iPaaS cloud-based integration structurizes and solves data silos in MNCs, like one application to another application, how to integrate data sharing, hybrid integration, faster innovation, right? Cloud connects cloud to on-premises, and right, seamless application communication, like this. Here rapid development. You can develop rapidly with iPaaS. A developer can build a new integration flow in days instead of months. Previously it will take to complete a development, it will take months, but nowadays it will be complete by using these connectors, iPaaS related connectors. We can complete that within days. We can automate also. It enables the automation of business processes. For example, when a new lead is created in Salesforce, when a new lead is created in Salesforce, iPaaS can automatically create a record in the marketing automation tool and send a welcome email all in real time. I already told, right? Like this, iPaaS, it automates like for suppose like GitHub repositories to automatically deploy into that Heroku web hosting. So once you ran any command, automatically it will deploys. Like the same here, iPaaS acts like an automating mediator. And scalability, security and governance. How about security and all? Most of the MNCs operate on a massive scale, and iPaaS platform is designed to handle this. Scalability means, what is scalability? It can effortlessly manage growing data volumes and increasing number of integrations without a major re-architecture. No need to disturbing the mapping flow or workflow what already designed. We can easily effortlessly manage the growing data volumes, right? That is called scalability. Centralized management. All integrations are monitored from a single dashboard, making it easy to spot and resolve issues. Okay, from a single dashboard we can manage the integrations. We will see this thing in later. So this is just a foundation certification class. So later we will see in depth, application oriented, right? So security and compliance. iPaaS vendors provide enterprise grade security features like data encryption, like data masking, data tokenization, and access controls, which are vital for meeting strict compliance regulations like GDPR and HIPAA. HIPAA in a global company. HIPAA is nothing but it's Personal Information Act. So in foreign countries, mostly personal information should not be released as per the HIPAA rules, HIPAA Act. If any personal identification related, personal related information company reveals of the customers related data, it will be under scrutinized under HIPAA Act. They can shoot a law on the company according to the HIPAA law. So we have to mask the data according to the HIPAA guidelines. We have to encrypt the data, customer data, while working, right? That is called security and compliance. So here the benefits of iPaaS, we already explained. Like iPaaS acts as a centralized unit. So scalability, rapid deployment enables quick integration, flow creation, scalability manages growing data and integration, security compliance, provide enterprise grade security features, and automate business process in real time, centralized management, monitor integrations from a single dashboard. These all things we will learn later. Just complete the foundation certificate first of all, right? Core content for the foundation certification. Here, how to complete the foundation certification? These are the main things to remember. A typical iPaaS foundation certification exam tests your understanding of the platforms, key concepts and capabilities. Foundation concepts like integration for patterns, understand the different ways systems can be integrated. Application integration, connecting the business logic of two or more apps like Salesforce to SAP. Data integration, synchronizing data between different data sources. Back-to-back integration, like exchanging data with external business to business integration, external business partners. The integration flow, know the basic structure of a data flow. Here, source, the application or system where the data originates, target, the destination where the data needs to go, one file to another file. Transformation, the process of converting the data from source format to the target format. That is nothing but simply ETL, extract from the source, perform the transformations, and load to the target. That is ETL, integration flow. Core iPaaS capabilities. Here, connectors that are pre-built adapters that allow you to easily connect to a specific application or system without writing the code. You should know the difference between a SaaS connector like a Salesforce connector and a generic protocol connector like FTP or HTTP connector, right? Some software as service connectors and FTP and HTTP connection, you know the basic things. So data mapping and transformations, this is a crucial skill. The exam will test your ability to understand how to map fields from a source schema to a target schema and apply basic transformations. Here, the flow logic and orchestration and integration flow is more than just a straight line from to understand how to use conditional logic. Use an if-then else statement to route data based on its content. Error handling, designing a flow to gracefully handle and long errors instead of failing completely. Security and monitoring, that authentication and authorization. The exam will cover the basic methods to secure access to an application. Monitoring and alerts, understand the importance of a centralized dashboard to track flow performance and how to set up alerts for which an integration fails. So key to iPaaS certification essentials: foundation concepts, understand the integration patterns and data flow structures, mastering connectors, data mapping and flow logic. Security and monitoring, ensure secure access and tracking integration performance. So the 45 minutes test, follow these guidelines, how to. So like the more. So most foundation exams are multiple choice, as this is also a multiple choice, and passing score is about 60 to 70. I will show you the exam also, how it would be 45 minutes. Within 45 minutes we can complete. You have roughly 1 minute per question, like the preparation, review the syllabus, learn the vocabulary, take practice exams, these times. In this process we can pass any exam. Simply I represented that exam pattern. Let's go to that exam. So in this way we can complete foundation course and just click on that